Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix error code 54 for Bluetooth device. First method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Bluetooth, right-click Bluetooth device one by one, uninstall device. After uninstall, restart system. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Windows Update. After install all updates, check any driver updates are available on Optional Updates option. If available, install it. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.